Hey guys, we have here the JBL VIBE Buds, and in this video we want to explain to you what to do in case something is not working right with your earbuds, or if somebody else is kind of hijacking your earbuds and basically plays their music in your earbuds and you can't really control them. So the process that we are going through is called the factory reset, and this is done really simple. And what it's basically doing is it's going to forget, the earbuds are going to forget every device that they were paired to. So that means after we've done this factory reset, we have to go through the pairing process again in order to use the earbuds again. So how do we now do this factory reset? And so let me show you this. So you see here right now the earbuds are right now paired to my Android phone here on the right side. And now all we have to do is we're going to take one of the earbuds while both of them are outside of the charging case, and we're going to triple tap on the side of this earbud. So, and important is on the third tap, we're going to press and hold. We're going to keep holding for at least 5 seconds. So you've seen this now, I triple tapped, and then the third tap I kept holding it. And then after 5 seconds, the earbuds, both of them, are going to shut down. So you see right now, also here, they have now disconnected from the smartphone. And if you have one earbud, the other earbud in your ear, then you hear them actually shutting down. So now all we have to do is we're going to place both earbuds back into the charging case, and now that completes the factory reset process. And so now the next time we're going to take the earbuds out of the charging case, they're going to go automatically back into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you see this by the rapidly blinking blue LEDs here on the side. So that means the pairing process is now active, and you want to really quickly pair them back with your smartphone. You see this, the Samsung phone already provides this here with the Google Fast pairing process. And I'm going to do this. So now we are paired again, and hopefully the problems that we had before are now gone. And yeah, this was already it for this video. And I hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.